Good morning. My name is Hae-Sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with Labor Attorney Jung Bong-soo, we will discuss about the Labor Standards Act, Article 54, which is the recess hours. So, could you define the terminology, please?
Yeah. Hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. Recess hour means those time excluded from the working hours. So Article 54 explains that the recess hour should be given like 30 minutes for every 4 working hours. Also, 1 hour recess time should be given for 8 working hours. So those recess hours should be used freely by the employee. So this is a basic definition. Also, when employee determine working hours, so Article 50 it explains that the daily working hours shall not exceed 8 hours excluding recess hours. Also, weekly working hours shall not exceed 40 hours excluding recess hour. So here this definition you can find working hours, recess hours. So recess hour is regarded as not working hours. So this means recess hour is not accumulated as working hours. So this means it is excluded from some calculation of working hours. Also, anybody who had work like accident during the recess hours, they will not be compensated by the industrial accident compensation insurance because it is not work-related accident.
Yeah. I see. So in normal circumstances, for example, in office workers, I think it's regular trend that you can have 1 or 1.5 hour for lunch break. But in case of like service industry, like operating restaurant, because of the long hours of working hours, what kind of break time would the employer give to the employee?
Yes, so recess hour can be granted to workers based on the types of their business. So white collar workers, they work from 9 to 6 p.m. Then 1 hour break time is given in the middle of the working hours. But based on some service the business like the restaurant management, then they need intensive time in lunch time and dinner time. Also, they work from 10 a.m. through the like 9 p.m. In the evening. So it is almost 11 hours. So if there are no special measure, then employer should pay basic pay plus overtime for 30 hours. So in this case, company can take advantage of recess hour in the middle of working hours, like 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So those hours they are not busy with customers. So in that case, company the post sign like recess hour is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So we do not allow, we do not accept customers for this meal time. So please use meal time like lunch time and dinner time. So in this case, employee will be exempt from any calculation of overtime for 30 hours in that period, like 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. This is how some restaurant service can have while they are keeping some 8-hour working hours per day. Yeah.
So I have a question. For example, if it's like a restaurant, but it's started like a startup company among like 5 people, and they are not employer and employees like a startup level, all co-CEOs. In such case, if they don't have any recess hour, is it illegal?
Oh, those people who are not workers or those people who are partners, they are not workers, so it's free. They don't be applicable to this the protection law. Yeah. So based on some industries, company can introduce a different type of the working hours using this recess hours. So for example, construction business, they like it is a real case. Some construction companies, they had a project building in the desert area. In Middle East Asia is very hot and humid, like very hot, and people cannot walk during the such a tropical weather. So in that case, they take like they walk early from morning, like 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and take a 6-hour break. Then starting 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. they walk another 4 hours in the afternoon. So in the middle time, like 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. they can take it as a like recess hours. Then company can pay 8 hours work. Also workers can avoid very hot weather during that time by using the recess hours. So this can be a way to use some work like recess hour system. So then it can be a very win-win for the employer. Also very it provide a good working condition to workers. So by using this recess hour system, company can adopt new maybe working system. Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much for introducing the article and also presenting the example.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.